Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to Money Matters, where we empower you to achieve your financial dreams. Today, we're diving into an incredibly interesting topic: how to become a millionaire on a low salary. Yes, you heard that right. Even if your earnings are modest, with the right strategies and the right mindset, can you reach that seven-figure milestone? Absolutely. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about positive cash flow. Simply put, positive cash flow means that your income exceeds your expenses. It's the foundation for building wealth, no matter your salary. So how do we achieve this? Start by tracking your income and expenses. List every source of income and all your expenses. Then identify areas where you can cut back. This could be anything from dining out less often to finding cheaper phone plans. Remember, every penny saved is a penny invested in your future. Living frugally is essential for creating positive cash flow, especially when your salary is on the lower side. If you want to know more about frugal living, be sure to check out the video on the channel. So here are some quick-fire practical tips to help you cut costs and save more. 1. Cook at home. Meal prepping can save you hundreds each month compared to eating out or ordering in. Plus, it's healthier. 2. Minimize your housing costs. Consider living with roommates, downsizing to a smaller place, or moving to a more affordable area. Your rent or mortgage is likely to be your biggest expense, so any savings here will have a huge impact. Don't forget, this is with a mindset to financial freedom, so you're going to have to make some sacrifices if you want to make it work. 3. Be smart with your utilities and subscriptions. Bundle the services, negotiate for better rates, and eliminate what you don't need. That gym membership you never use, cancel it and start working out at home or in the park. Step 4. Shop smart. Buy clothes and other items secondhand. Take advantage of sales and always look out for discounts or coupons. Have a folder, put the coupons in it. Next up, income split strategy. It's hard to say. The 50-30-20 rule, and there's a video all about that if you want to know more. Let's break it down. 50% goes on income, necessities, rent, utilities, groceries. 30% for discretionary spending, things you want but don't necessarily need. And 20%, well, that goes straight into savings and investments. So that's the quick version of the rule, but there is a much more in-depth look at it on the channel. Remember, the key is consistency. Even if you start small, saving and investing regularly will help you build wealth over time. Automate those savings if you can, so you don't have to think about it. Okay, let's talk about some side gigs. In today's side hustle gig economy, there are countless opportunities to earn extra money, whether it's freelancing, driving for a rideshare service, or starting a small online business. Side gigs can significantly boost your income. But will they make you rich? Side gigs are fantastic for generating additional income, which you can then save or invest. The key is to choose gigs that align with your skills and your interests. Remember, the goal is to create multiple streams of income, so you're not solely reliant on your main job. Over time, can contribute significantly to your wealth. But a word of warning, steer clear of all these fantastic claims you see on ads about making $1 million in a month. They're clickbait. There, I've said it. Now, let's be real. Side gigs require time and effort. Balancing a side gig with a full-time job can be challenging and exhausting, but the payoff can be substantial if you manage your time effectively and choose the gigs that you know you're going to enjoy. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, or even selling handmade crafts online, there's something for everyone. Now let's dive into investments. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth and becoming a millionaire. But where should you start? If you're new to it all, start with a retirement account or high-yield savings interest account that you can't have immediate access to. Take advantage of any employer-matched pensions. It's free money. Next, consider low index funds or ETFs. They're great for beginners because they offer diversification and have lower fees. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you might explore individual stocks, but always do your research. Consult with a financial advisor if needs be, but it is worth looking into. The stock market might seem intimidating, but it's one of the most effective ways to build wealth. Historically, the stock market delivers an average of 7 to 8% after inflation. By consistently investing a proportion of your income, you can take advantage of compound interest, where your earnings generate even more over time. Have a go at simulated trading and investing. There are lots of apps for that. You're not going to lose, but you've got a huge amount to gain and knowledge and experience. Property, that's another powerful investment tool. Yes, it requires money up front, but it can provide a steady cash flow and appreciate over time. Think about buying somewhere that could generate income, like living in one unit, renting out the other, to cover your mortgage and with some left over to save. This strategy can significantly reduce your living expenses and help you build that equity faster. There's always the holiday let industry to consider as well, like Airbnb. All right, let's talk about some of the challenges you might face on this journey. Saving money, living frugally, and investing wisely requires discipline and sacrifice. There are going to be times when it feels tough, especially when you're making less money. But it's important to stay motivated and remember your goals and why you're doing this. Set yourself clear, achievable goals and remind yourself why you're making these sacrifices right now at this present time, whether it's financial freedom or providing for your family or possibly retiring early. Keep the why in mind. Celebrate small milestones along the way, each step forward in progress, no matter how small. Also, be prepared for some setbacks. We keep things real here at Money Matters, so no sugarcoating. You might come across unexpected expenses, market downturns, and personal emergencies. These things happen. Build an emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net will prevent you derailing you along your long-term financial plan and throw you a curveball. So, is it really possible to become a millionaire on a low salary? Absolutely. It takes time, discipline, and smart financial decisions, but it's definitely achievable. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, have your goals, keep learning, and make informed financial decisions. Celebrate small milestones and reward yourself on those achievements and stay motivated. Thanks for watching, future millionaires. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on financial freedom. There's more about saving and investment and frugal living on the channel. See you soon.